Do you ever wonder where your money goes each month? You're not alone. Many people find themselves in the same situation, questioning their spending habits and financial decisions. Many people struggle to manage their finances effectively. It's a common issue that can lead to stress and anxiety. Budgeting is the key to taking control of your money and achieving your financial goals. By setting a clear plan, you can track your income and expenses more efficiently. It's about making conscious decisions about how you spend and save. Every dollar should have a purpose, whether it's for necessities, savings, or leisure. Budgeting doesn't have to be restrictive or complicated. It can be a simple and empowering process that gives you control over your financial life. It's about aligning your spending with your values and priorities. When you know what matters most to you, it's easier to make financial decisions that support your goals. By creating a plan for your money, you can gain peace of mind and financial security. Knowing where your money is going helps reduce financial stress. Stop feeling overwhelmed by bills and start building a brighter financial future. Take small steps today to create a big impact tomorrow. In the following sections, we'll explore practical tips and strategies to master your budget and transform your relationship with money. These tools will help you stay on track and achieve your financial dreams. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Let's get started on this journey to financial freedom and success. The first step to effective budgeting is understanding your spending habits. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Write down every dollar you spend, no matter how small. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Categorize your expenses to see where your money is going. Common categories include housing, transportation, food, utilities, entertainment, and debt payments. Once you have a clear picture of your spending patterns, you can identify areas where you can cut back. Tracking your expenses isn't about feeling deprived, it's about gaining awareness. By knowing where your money goes, you can make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. What are your financial aspirations? Do you want to buy a house, pay off debt, or retire early? Setting clear financial goals gives you something to work towards. Write down your short-term and long-term goals, making them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to save more money, set a specific goal like I will save $5,000 for a down payment on a car within 2 years. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable milestones. This will make them feel less daunting and keep you motivated. Remember, your goals are personal to you. Choose goals that excite you and align with your values. Regularly review and adjust your goals as your circumstances change. Distinguishing between needs and wants is crucial for smart budgeting. Needs are essential expenses like housing, food, and healthcare. Wants are things you desire but can live without, such as entertainment, dining out, and luxury items. When creating your budget, prioritize your needs over your wants. Look for ways to reduce your spending on wants without sacrificing your quality of life. For instance, consider cooking at home more often instead of eating out, or finding free or low-cost entertainment options. Remember, every dollar you spend on a want is a dollar less you have for your needs or financial goals. By making mindful spending choices, you can free up more money for the things that truly matter. Section 5. Smart shopping strategies. Save money on everyday purchases. You can save money on everyday purchases by adopting smart shopping habits. Plan your meals in advance and create a grocery list to avoid impulse buys. Look for sales, discounts, and coupons to reduce your grocery bill. Consider buying generic brands instead of name brands, as they often offer similar quality at lower prices. Buy in bulk for items you use frequently, but make sure you have enough storage space and that the items won't expire. When shopping for clothes, electronics, or other items, compare prices online and at different stores before making a purchase. Consider buying used or refurbished items, which can be significantly cheaper than new ones. Section 6. Slashing bills and expenses. Find hidden savings. Take a close look at your bills and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Negotiate lower rates for your cable, internet, or phone bills. Many providers are willing to offer discounts to retain customers. Consider switching to energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs to reduce your utility bills. Unplug electronic devices when not in use to save on electricity. Cancel subscriptions and memberships you don't use regularly. Review your insurance policies and shop around for better rates. By being proactive and exploring your options, you can uncover hidden savings and free up more money in your budget. Section 7. The emergency fund, your financial safety net. An emergency fund is a crucial part of a solid financial plan. It acts as a financial buffer that can help you manage life's unexpected events without falling into debt. It provides a safety net to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, which can be quite substantial and often come without warning. Car repairs, which can be costly and inconvenient, or even job loss, which can be financially devastating, are other examples of emergencies that an emergency fund can help you manage. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt when faced with unforeseen circumstances. It allows you to handle these situations with less stress and more confidence. Start by saving a small amount each month, even if it's just $50 or $100. Consistency is key, and over time these small contributions will add up. Aim to build an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This amount provides a comfortable cushion to help you navigate through tough times. Keep your emergency fund in a separate savings account that is easily accessible. This ensures that you can quickly access the funds when you need them the most. Having an emergency fund can give you peace of mind knowing that you have a financial cushion to fall back on during tough times. It reduces anxiety and helps you stay focused on your long-term financial goals. It empowers you to face unexpected challenges without derailing your financial progress. With an emergency fund, you can handle life's surprises with greater ease and confidence. Section 8. Real-life budgeting examples in action. In this section, we will explore how everyday people have successfully managed their finances through effective budgeting. Let's look at some real-life examples of how budgeting can work. These stories highlight the practical steps individuals have taken to improve their financial situations. Sarah, a single mother of 2, was struggling to make ends meet. She often found herself stressed and overwhelmed by her monthly bills. She decided to track her expenses and realized she was spending a significant amount on takeout food. This was a major drain on her finances. By cooking at home more often and packing lunches for herself and her kids, she was able to save $200 per month. This small change made a big difference in her budget. John, a recent college graduate, wanted to pay off his student loans faster. He knew that reducing his debt quickly would give him more financial freedom in the future. He created a budget and identified areas where he could cut back on his spending. By using a budgeting app, he was able to track his expenses more effectively. By reducing his entertainment expenses, such as dining out and subscriptions and finding a cheaper apartment, he was able to allocate an extra $300 per month towards his debt. This accelerated his loan repayments significantly. These examples demonstrate that budgeting is not about deprivation, but about making conscious choices to align your spending with your goals. It's about prioritizing what truly matters to you. Small changes can make a big difference over time. By making mindful adjustments to your spending habits, you can achieve greater financial stability and peace of mind. Section 9. Budgeting tools and apps. Technology to your rescue. Numerous budgeting tools and apps can simplify the budgeting process. These tools can connect to your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically track your income and expenses. They can also categorize your spending, set budgets, and send you alerts when you're close to exceeding your limits. Popular budgeting apps include Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital. Explore different options and choose the tool that best suits your needs and preferences. Technology can make budgeting more convenient and less time-consuming. Many of these tools offer free versions with basic features, while premium versions provide additional features and functionality. Take advantage of the available resources to enhance your budgeting experience. Section 10. Stay motivated and overcome challenges. Staying motivated and overcoming challenges is crucial for budgeting success. Set realistic goals and celebrate your achievements along the way. Reward yourself for milestones reached, but keep your rewards budget-friendly. Find an accountability partner such as a friend, family member, or financial advisor to share your goals and progress with. Surround yourself with positive influences and seek support when needed. Remember that setbacks are normal. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget as your circumstances change. Focus on the progress you've made and the positive impact budgeting has on your life. Stay committed to your financial well-being, and you'll reap the rewards over time. Section 11. Conclusion. Achieve financial freedom. Mastering your budget is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious financial decisions that align with your values and goals. By tracking your spending, setting financial goals, and making informed choices, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. Remember, budgeting doesn't have to be restrictive or complicated. Start small, be patient, and celebrate your successes along the way. With dedication and perseverance, you can create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Start your budgeting journey today and experience the transformative power of financial empowerment.